but the original is King Midas. The ancient Greek myth, an ancient Greek myth. The king is granted a wonderful new magic power. Everything he touches turns to gold. At first, this gives King Midas a great pleasure. He touches a stone and a twig. Immediately, they turn to gold. But Midas's problems begin when he tries to eat. Every dish he touches turns to gold. Fearing that he will starve, Midas begs the gods to take away his magic powers. An act that removes. He is instructed to wash himself off in a river. An act that removes his magic powers. Uh, according to the myth, according to the myth, according to the myth,
King Midas is back.
King Midas's. According to the myth,
King Midas's bath also explains.
King Midas's bath also explains why the water has golden color at certain times of the day. In modern times, the story of King Midas remains popular. Someone who has good business instincts is often described as having a Midas touch. Often forgotten is the fact that the original version is a cautionary tale. It warns about the dangers of too much of good things.
Everyone loves chocolate, but Queen Midas had a tough time when everything she touched turned into chocolate.
This is proof that the world isn't made up of all one thing. What if it were all water or all land? What if it were all forest or all cities? Is it good to have this? Let's see.
Queen Midas loved to be entertained. On this particular night, the royal magician was putting on a show. He made an apple disappear into thin air and pulled a rabbit from her hand.
Loud smile. Come this side. Come this side in front.
On the stage, I have a special treat which is only meant for you.
Queen Midas walked up onto the stage and stood beside Narada the magician.
Which is your favorite thing in the whole wide world?
Let's see. Chocolate, I guess. Yes, I'm sure of it. Chocolate.
Good answer.
Good answer, my queen. Now you just have to drink this potion. This can I go there and record? Which will turn all the things you touch into chocolate.
Narada handed Queen Midas a small bottle of potion marked Magic Fingers, chocolate version. The queen drank it in one quick gulp.
Loud. That was delicious.
That was delicious. Kind of like chocolate milkshake, but I don't feel any different.
My queen, you will not feel any different, but you are different now. I am demonstrating. Let me reapply. Presto, here is it. Now touch it with your finger.
Queen Midas touched the apple, and instantly it turned into chocolate. Millie, the queen's faithful attendant, and everyone else in the royal court gasped in amazement. Queen Midas took it. It was delicious. This is incredible. Anything I touch turns into chocolate. What would it be? Millie, bring me the loaf of bread from the table over there. Yes, Your Highness. Millie brought over the fork. Queen Midas touched it, and instantly it turned into chocolate. The queen took a bite. It was good stuff. Scrumptious. Millie, bring me the fork. Millie, bring me the fork.
Yes, Your Highness.
No, Millie, not just Your Highness. From now on, I want you to address me as your chocolate highness.
Yes, Your Chocolate Highness.
Millie bought over the foam. Queen Midas touched it. It changed in a flash. It still looked exactly like a silver foam, but very fancy one at that. It had all kinds of curlies and details. But now it had exactly turned into chocolate. Queen Midas took a bite.
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious.
Millie, go get a
Millie, go get a dozen of eggs and some marbles. Be sure to get some paper clips. Find a feather. You simply must find a feather.
Yes, Your Chocolate Highness.
No, Millie.
No, Millie, not just your chocolate highness. From now on, I want you to address me as your rich, creamy, super duper delightful chocolate highness.
Yes, Your rich, creamy, super duper delightful chocolate highness.
Millie brought all the items that Queen Midas had requested. One by one, she bought eggs, paper clips, marbles, and feathers. The queen touches it, and it turned into chocolate. They all turned into chocolate. The queen washed them down. Soon he had eaten so much that she was growing tired. Millie accompanied the queen upstairs to help to prepare for her bed.
Look, Millie, I just touched my bedpost and it turned into dark chocolate, just like the dark wood. Delectable. Look now, Millie, I touched my pillow and it turned into a big fluffy chocolate candy with cream fillings.
Soon the queen fell asleep. When she woke, a chocolate material was sagged. The chocolate sheets that cover her chocolate bed was melted. During the night, Fluffy, the royal cat, had snuggled up beside her. The Fluffy had turned into chocolate. Everything the queen had touched which was chocolate. Everywhere she looked, it was chocolate. She looked in her chocolatey mirror and saw that she was a big chocolatey mess.
Run me a bath at once, Millie.
Yes, Your rich, creamy, super duper delightful chocolate highness.
You can go back to simply calling me a chocolate highness.
Yes, Your chocolate highness.
As soon as Queen Midas stepped into her bath, the water turned into thick chocolate syrup, turning everything into chocolate. Was not less. Queen got dressed, but every piece of her cloth she touched turned into chocolate. Still, the royal business was to be done.
This morning, Your Highness, you are scheduled to meet with the Royal Soccer team. They have just won the championship. Today, the royal photographer will take your picture.
I have a great picture. You're not a typical queen. You're a wild, fun-loving chocolate queen. I think you should give each soccer player a high five. That will be a cool photo. I can just picture the headline. Chocolate-covered queen high-five soccer stars.
Messy chocolate queen high-fived with each soccer player. As soon as their hands touched, the soccer player hands turned into chocolate.
My fingers, they are looking like little candy bars. Now my toes are turning into candy bars. Oh no!
I'm feeling like a chocolate donut. I don't mean that I'm hungry for a chocolate donut. What I'm trying to say is I am a donut. Help! Help!
I'm all covered with frosting. I'm turning into double chocolate layer upside down cake. Somebody do something.
This was terrible. First, the queen had turned Philly the royal cat into chocolate, and now 3 royal soccer team players into chocolate. She was a royal mess.
Listen carefully now, Millie. Go and fetch Meldor, the royal magician.
Yes, Your Highness.
Millie ran to the
Meldor.
palace and met him after
A few minutes with Meldor.
Meldor, this is terrible. Anything I touch turns into chocolate.
It's a problem. Fortunately, I have solved this solution. If you just drink this normal Newton's potion, the things that have turned into chocolate will turn.
Thank goodness. Hand it
No,
to me.
my
Anne.
queen, not so fast. I am going to keep this potion down over here. Or as you
touch me.
And I will turn into chocolate and you will be in a very real trouble.
Queen drank down the potion. It tasted like plain old tap water. Then she walked around her palace. She touched Fluffy, the three soccer players, her mirror, her shoe. Everything went back to normal.
Water relief. I love chocolate more than anything in the world, but that doesn't mean I want the whole world to be chocolate.
The moral of the story is excess of anything is bad.
Thank you.